from Arklane PH. Ang sabi niya is, kung hindi ka mabibigyan ng baby ng partner mo, hihiwalayan mo ba? Maybe just because there are certain reasons kung ba't hindi ka mabibigyan ng
maraming
anak.
reason.
Oo. You have to always talk to each other. Give yourself time to maybe understand and also to find other means on how you can have diversion towards that feeling. Kasi baka mamaya, yung pakiramdam mo naman na yan is mapupunan siya ng ibang bagay. Hindi ko sinasabing, well, having a child can never be the same as having a pet or making you busy about something, no? But at least, if you're willing to stay in that relationship with your partner, there could be several things that you can do to enjoy each other. Pagdating dun sa pagkakaroon ng anak, kung halimbawa may sakit siya or tipong hindi talaga capable, there may be medical reasons kung ba't hindi kayo pwede magkaroon ng anak. May mga other options naman na ngayon para magkaroon ng anak. You can try to explore that option or, syempre, it comes with financial capability. Then again, ang pinaka masasabi ko lang dyan is, maybe there could be different things that you can do together instead of raising a child.
So in short, ang sagot, huwag mag-resort to hiwalayan. Maybe your partner, hindi naman siguro 100% ginusto na hindi ka mabibigyan ng baby.
Well, ngayon kasi hindi na natin yan yung tipong parang i-check mo bago ka makipag-relasyon, di ba? Later on, malalaman mo na lang hindi pala pwede or eventually, you will be able to determine na there could be some complications in your body. That's why you cannot bear a child or hindi ka pwede makabuntis, ganyan. I can never put myself in a situation na hindi ko pa naranasan. Ako, whenever I feel that I cannot get something I want just because of course my partner or my wife do not agree or parang siya is hindi comfortable with that, I'm not going to burden her of that. Parang makikipag-usap ako sa kanya how I can try to overcome it. Kasi minsan yung partner mo din na makakapagsabi sa'yo kung paano mo ma-overcome yung desire mo for that.